Hello everybody, this is Jonathan here with C&J Family Productions, and today is our first video of 2021.
Hello.
This is Nathan. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, what we're going to talk about here today is got some goodies for the Vector 500. What I'm planning on doing, we'll go and show you. Planning on going into the clutch cover and replacing the belt, as well as servicing and replacing the secondary clutch spring. And I'm also planning on buying a modded clutch, primary clutch kit to see if I can get some more power out of this baby. So I'll show you the parts of what we're talking about. I have this Hisun 500 clutch kit that I got from Griffin Performance. Thank you guys for that. Comes with this gold spring, and it comes with what looks like looks like 2 to 3 shim. I also have a new belt, as you can see there.
Hey, Daddy.
There's the part number.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes.
Hello.
What I'm planning on doing is trying to find some way to get some more top end speed. A lot of the places where we ride at are not just slow trails and stuff, you know, there's some highway pavement riding that you have to go to. So try not to make myself as much of a liability, you know, going from place to place. I want to be able to at least, I'm trying to see if I can at least get somewhere near 50. By myself I can get up to about 45. It's supposed to be 45, but I mean, this machine has like 2,500 miles on it. So let's see where you see what I'm talking about here. So you see here, $155.9 hours, 2,261 miles. So, you know, I'm sure there's some wear. I'm sure there's probably, you know, you could probably get a few 100,000 or so miles on it. But, you know, since I'm in there, I don't want to sit there and have to, you know, worry about going back into it again. As you can see, just to show you, not a whole lot of room in here. So this is gonna take this cover off the engine cover. I'm gonna have to pop out take out the fuel tank, take out this firewall retainer, take off this entire side panel right here, this back panel right here, all of that just to be able to get my impact gun in there to take off the 14 nuts here, as well as the 2 nuts that's holding on the primary clutch and the secondary clutch. So, you know, well, it's gonna be an interesting job just being by myself and my 4-year-old son over there. It's just gonna be me, and then just trying to find a good weather day. It has not been the best of weather here lately. It's been raining a whole lot. It's just been really cold here in the southeast here. South Carolina, we haven't had a whole lot of snow at all. Not in my part. I haven't seen anything but snow flurries. But, you know, thankfully we have had power. We have been able to go for a few rides. Not a whole lot of local places to go right now. It's the places I do want to go, and that's the reason why I want to get this clutch cover in there. Excuse me, not the clutch cover. Get this new clutch system in there, just so I can make myself a little bit more competitive. But overall, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you guys.